another video from Shepherd Song Farm here. This is how to make the perfect lamb roast. If you watched our last video about how to break down a lamb leg into individual muscles, this is the video that you need to watch. So I take this is a top sirloin, just one of the muscles out of the leg, and I'm gonna season it really well with salt and pepper, and I have a little chopped rosemary. That's optional. Chopped fresh thyme is good too, or a mix of herbs, or no herbs at all. The biggest trick here, and I have a couple different secrets that I use for making roasts like this. The first one is to let the meat dry out in the fridge uncovered overnight after you season it. That is one of the biggest keys. Afterwards, you're gonna sear it in a really hot pan. I like to use some lamb tallow, but just cooking oil would be fine too. And you're gonna notice, I do this with just about every meat. Fish is the exception. Just about every meat I cook, I season it overnight. At least I try to. And you can see that crust is really nice because the meat got to dry out in the fridge and it got to evaporate some water. So it's gonna sear up a lot nicer for you because you can also see that it's getting pretty smoky in here. So you wanna start a fan or open a window, unplug the smoke detector. You're gonna cook the roast in an oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. The real secret is to elevate it. So you're gonna see, I'm gonna use a piece of bread. You could use vegetables, a roasting rack, whatever you can do to make it so the meat doesn't touch the pan, because that's gonna make it cook unevenly and the bottom is gonna cook faster. After it's done, the last secret is to let that meat rest before you slice it. And that's really it. If you think that looks good, we have lots of more great stuff like this at shepherdsongfarm.com, where you can order grass-fed lamb or goat and have it shipped right to your door. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.